True story. A couple of months after I built my architect website, I had somebody email me and tell me that they wanted to travel across the country and internship at my business, because the philosophy of Twice Sheared Sheep of recycled and earth friendly and everything really spoke to her, and she wanted to work in a fiber company that like this. I can't tell you how flattering that was to hear that, because my business was my desk and bookshelves in half of my living room. I didn't know how to tell this person. I'm like, oh, that's so kind, but we're not accepting interns at the moment. I didn't know how to tell her that my company was a company of one that works out of my living room. Right now, actually, my business is in my bedroom because I need to be able to close the door on everything else so that I can get some work done, like record YouTube videos. But it was so flattering to me that somebody would look at this website that I had built and say that it looked so professional that they thought that I was a big company. I want you to know that you can look like you're a big company too. That if you're a designer, if you are a dyer, if you're a spinner, if you're a weaver, if you're if you're a painter, if you are a crocheter, if you're any of these crafty things, if you make things with your hands, you can be Madeline Tosh. You can be Socks That Rock. You can be Nitpicks. You can be all of these websites, and you can make a website that is just as gorgeous and just as professional looking. And you can do it through Renae Christines' architect course. So I'm telling you all of this because she's having a webinar in a couple of days on May 23rd, and it's a live webinar, which is unusual. And it's a brand new webinar where she's going to teach you how to compete with the big guys. And so that your business on the internet looks as professional, looks as phenomenal as one of these big companies. So when somebody comes to your website and they're looking for hand-dyed yarn, or they're looking for crochet patterns, or they're looking for spinning fiber, or they're looking for digital art, any of these things, they're going to look at it and they're going to think that you have, 10 employees in the back room churning out things, and because it looks like a professional business. Okay, so that's it. If you want to take a look at my website, it's twiceshearedsheep.com, if I haven't said that enough in this video. And if you want to watch Renae's webinar, it's click the link in the description down below. It's free. It's a free class. She's giving it to you because she's amazing and she's lovely. And I promise you it will be amazing. So I guess I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.